6 Mile and Inkster, Maple plate, and a white sedan. I had it leaving the parking lot next to Shooter's Service. I think there's a nail salon over there too. Get your driver's license on your registration insurance?
Registration insurance, sir?
Yeah. Where are you guys heading to?
Taking him to the doctor.
Gotcha.
We're going to
Where are you coming from?
Inkster.
Inkster and what?
Inkster Road. Inkster, Michigan.
Oh.
Lecture. Can you tell me what I'm being arrested for? Yeah, we will, buddy. 2 legs.
Hey, so Anthony,
The
the business I saw you guys pulling out of, the nail salon over there.
Threw up?
Just hang on.
Okay.
Okay, the business that I saw you pulling out of, there's broken glass in the window there. Okay, you got a hammer in the back of the car, so we're not dumb. We know what you guys were doing.
We pulled out of the church next door.
I know. There's a church right there, and there's a nail salon right there.
Yeah, I don't know nothing about that.
There's
I
two
was just
businesses that got broken into. Okay, so I'm just giving you a heads up. All right.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
I ain't getting on board though.